everyone. So, as I said, I'm going to be doing some Physicians Formula looks. And today I decided to, of course, use the purple colors. That purple, the mauve, and I guess the white. I want to put that gorgeous, intense purple. Before I even get started, I bought a box of white silver. It was a white silver, got to be metallic silver. I watched girls do it on YouTube, and their hair turned out a white silver. Look what it did to me. I am livid after I went through all that trouble to get my hair a beautiful blonde color, that it turned it like a dark gray color. But anyway, back to the tutorial. I'm going to start with that gorgeous purple color right there. Okay. I'm probably gonna have to wear false lashes now. Oh, for the cream base, I just keep using this goth white for the base color. And then I'm gonna use that pretty mauve color as the crease color. And then I'm going to use that white right here as the highlight color. And then really quick, I'm going to use the bronzer from one of the palettes, just to give you an idea. Now, I've used this bronzer before, so it might be mixed with other colors, but this is it's supposed to be a soft, light bronzer. And I'm going to use the other side of my Waka Waka brush that I forgot to use last week. And I believe this is the new color, and I think this is a Walmart exclusive. It's called Saucy Mauve. It doesn't seem to be picking up color, but let's see what happens. Oh, okay. Definitely picked up color. Wow. You just kind of like using the other side of the brush. That's why you're getting some pink there. And then this beautiful color called Iridescence from the, oh man, I don't know if you could see that purple in there. I'm just gonna use the Waka Waka brush and just swipe across here and just look at that beautiful purple iridescence. That is gorgeous. Okay, so I just wanted to give you a idea of how everything goes on. I'm gonna just finish my makeup, clean up, blend everything on my face out, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone. So just wanted to let you know I used this gorgeous metallic highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes, both inner corners and bottom inner corners. And I used the Carnival lipstick, and OMG, it is so good. They're not kidding when they say it's a butter lipstick, because it feels like butter on your lips. It feels so smooth and creamy and shiny. Oh, I love it. So that's this purple one here. Oh, it feels so good. So next week I'll probably do the palette I did today was the Tropical Days. I really wanted to use that gorgeous metallic purple in there. I love that soft mauve purple in there. And yeah, I just really wanted to try that. And so next time I'll try the other one. I did do lashes, but this one broke on me as I was putting it on, so it doesn't go all the way in. But that's that. You know, I was putting it on. It's putting on lashes for me is so hard. It is just really not easy. So I just left it like that. So yeah, that's the only thing I did off camera for you.